Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at dead LED light bulbs and ways to fix them. So while exploring AliExpress, I found these repair kits for light bulbs. So instead of throwing away the light bulb if the main board stops working, I repaired this. If it stops working, you can get one of these, replace the board, just 2 wires to solder, place the board, glue the top, and you got yourself a new one. One thing I figured out a few years ago, usually when a light bulb stops working, I'd remove the top part, and when I look, there'll be an LED burned, and it just stop the electricity going around. So I'll just like drop a blob of solder on it, and the light bulb would start working. But this time, this time the light bulb is, it's not, they are properly working, the LEDs, but it just, it flickers. Let me see if I can show you what it does. Power it on, and as you can see, nothing happens. It's not flickering or anything, it's just dead. So let's unplug the thing. I don't want to get electrocuted. That brings us to the next lamp. I tried unscrewing this one yesterday. Tried removing the bulb. I ended up twisting. I was twisting this part, which is like the heat, the radiator, and so I ended up removing the butt of the lamp. And now it doesn't want to come off. What? Here it is. We removed the butt of the lamp, soldered this cable to it, put it back. Now we just need to solder the other. I'm just trying to find the spot where we can solder it, or if it's possible to solder. So we can stick this through one of these holes like this. I stick it through this hole over here. We got it poking out over here. Let me show you closer. You see it over here. Now we can just solder it. It's just hard not having. Okay, it's soldered now. Hopefully we can be still able to screw it in place. And so you got one coming from the middle and one coming from the screw part, the bottom part, screw part, and we will have to place back this funnel looking radiator and account for this thing turning around. We will go over the specs somewhere in the video. I'll read them. Let's see. I think this much is good enough. Okay. Let's place this back in. Let's place this. The size. Let's take a look at the diameter of this. 44 millimeters. This one exactly is 12 watts. Let's remove the insulation on these wires. Okay, so it goes through the center hole. Yeah, we have it secured. I feel these cables are a little too long. I don't know. And my guess is this is where we're supposed to solder them. They're a bit too long, but they're not covering any of the LEDs, so let's stick them. It's incredibly uncomfortable to solder these, honestly. You definitely need another human holding it. Okay. Okay, let's test it out. Let's see if this works. Screw it onto this. We'll make sure it's off first. We turn it on, and it works. It works really good. It's very bright. So all that's left now is to get a glue gun or your favorite type of glue or whatever you want to, and just pop these back on, you know, and you have a new lamp. You have a very nice working new lamp instead of going to the shop, buying one, the old lamp ending up in a landfill, creating more e-waste and garbage. So yeah, let's go over some specs. Okay, I have this. It's called LED bulb, patch lamp, SMD plate, circular. You can read the rest. Comes in 3 watts, 15 watts, 12 watts. I got the 12 watts ones. Let's see. Power 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 15. Voltage AC 222, 240. It's AMD SMD 2835. Color rendering, color temperature, cold white. Lifespan 50,000 hours. I don't know about that. It seems a little bit too excessive. Yeah, it's aluminum. I guess it serves as a radiator, like the same. It's the same metal as the previous one. You can see it. This one is from the smaller lamp. I don't know. I misplaced the one from the one we just did now, but I'm pretty sure it's the same material. It looks very well made, honestly. Very well made. Made in 2021. High brightness in large light, fast heat dissipation, high lumen, no flicker, energy saving. High quality SMD chips. It cost me 50 cents. 50 cents in comparison to $2 to get the lamp. Yeah, I'll get these every day. Convert some time and energy into money. I definitely recommend it. Do not throw away your LED light bulbs. All you need is this, and this. And you get yourself a nice working light bulb with the addition of this. Okay, so just like held it in place there. It's not moving anymore. Let's get the dome. I don't know if it's called a dome or not. Okay, we got it. And let's sorry guys, I'm still relatively new to recording while doing stuff, so I might not always be recording what I am doing because I don't watch the camera. Okay, let's just hold it in place for a little bit till the glue cools down. I mean, this is a terrible example. Like usually when I it's always like that. Usually when I remove this part from the light, from the lower part, I never have issues with it. This one time when I decide to record a video with it, it comes off all broken and functionality is 100% preserved. Can use it in the garage, it's outside, whatever. It's working. It's very cheap. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.